Hello everyone, I am Sarima Sadiq from SMB English. As you all know that nowadays no one has patience. So today my topic is patience. Somebody said a very beautiful quote. No one dies by falling into water. That happens only when one cannot swim. Similarly, circumstances never become a problem. Problems arise only when we don't know how to deal with them. When we lack patience, in the era of rapidness, every person is in a hurry. The moment the green light is turned on, they move as fast as a bullet of a gun. And if you fail to move your car just for a second, then the person behind will eat your head by blowing horn. The moment somebody failed in the exam, they lost faith, started crying and say, then the person behind will eat your head by blowing horn. Today, the moment somebody failed in the exam, they lose faith, started crying and say, everything is finished today. The moment somebody got cheated in love, thought everything is finished today. The moment somebody has loss in a business, they think everything is finished today and they lose hope. The world is becoming impatient, and to having patience is so challenging right now. Everyone wants to succeed so fast because they want to prove something somebody else. And if it is taking time, then there will be something wrong. The effort is going to wrong direction. The world is becoming impatient today. Everyone wants to succeed so fast. Everyone has to do something so fast. Everyone wants to be rich so fast. But nobody wants to wait and to have patience. To be hasty, to be in a hurry, to get upset quickly, to lose hope easily, these are all a sign of weakness. Patience, peace, silence, calmness and persistence, these are all a sign of power. Make patience your power is greatness, and it is difficult and it will take more time. Look, difficult times are bound to come in life. There will be a time when you will be on the light of the tunnel and you will not see any light of the tunnel. It's hard for you to see the light of the end of the tunnel, but I promise you there is the light at the end of the tunnel if you keep walking, if you keep making good choice persistently. Good choice will always bring the greatness. Just keep going. Good choice will always bring the greatness. Just keep going. Achieving greatness is not easy. If it is easy, it can be done right now. Everyone wants to succeed so fast, but if it is difficult, it will take more time. Whenever you build something with foundation, with choices and character, you see character is everything. Your attitude is going to determine your altitude. Whenever you fail, whenever you feel depressed, whenever whenever your life through bad times in your life, then remember and taste 4 things in life: patience, religion, friends, life partner. But the question is why? Why I put the patience at the first place? I could have patience, I could have friend at the first place for the religion or the life partner. The answer to the question is very simple. Religion comes from outside, friends comes from outside, life partner also comes from outside. but patience comes from within. A person with patience is strong like a mountain. It is your greatness. My dear friends, our freedom fighter, athletes, scientists, all are face difficulties. That's why they achieve impossible. So my dear friends, when life gets hard, when your effort go unnoticed, when things take longer than expected, don't quit, stay patient, because as the great saying goes, with patience even darkest night will end and the sun will rise. So let us promise today to be patient in your challenge, to be patient in your goals, and to be patient in your hearts, because patience is not a virtue, it's path to do something. So thank you so much.